I don't make my pasta bechamel like my mom used to anymore. I'm sorry, mom. Let me tell you why. Pasta bechamel, or macarona bechamel as we call it, is a staple in every Egyptian household, but every family has their unique spin on it. Growing up, my mom's version was the epitome of comfort food for me. But after tying the knot and stepping into a new family, I was introduced to a different approach to this dish. At first, I was hesitant, holding on to nostalgia, but eventually I changed the way I make this dish, adding my own twist to it. While my mom's version will always have a special place in my heart and I still make and enjoy it so much, I've come to appreciate the delicious nuance of this new twist on the recipe. It's not about one being better than the other, but rather about embracing variety. It all starts with a flavorful meat sauce. Heat up a pan and brown about 2 pounds of ground beef. Drain any excess fat, then toss in 2 large diced onions and saute until they're nice and translucent. Season with salt, black pepper, and optionally a dash of baharat. Then add tomato sauce and let it simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Then voila, your meat sauce is ready to go. While the meat sauce works its magic, boil your penne pasta until al dente. Once cooked, drain and mix the prepared meat sauce. Set this flavorful combination aside as we move on to the next step. The star of the show, the bechamel sauce. In a pot, melt equal parts of butter and flour until it turns a glorious golden hue. Then gradually whisk in a mix of milk and heavy cream. To ensure a smooth consistency, do not stop whisking. Season with salt, black pepper, and a hint of nutmeg for the added depth of flavor. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens up to velvety texture, perfect for coating the back of a spoon. Now here's a pro tip to showcase your culinary fineness. Make sure your bechamel sauce is slightly thinner than your desired outcome, as it will continue to thicken in the oven. We want the bechamel to be thick enough to maintain its integrity when eaten, yet not overly thick to the point that it becomes too dense. Now pour this luscious sauce over the pasta and meat mixture to cover the whole surface. Then pop it in the oven and let it bake until it reaches a beautiful golden hue. Trust me, the aroma alone will have your mouth watering. Then enjoy the ultimate and best slice of macaroni bechamel you'll ever have. Let me know what you want to see next. Bon appétit, or as we say in Egypt, بالهنا والشفا.